How to allow all calls on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option and then tap on the phone option. Here you will see the option for silence unknown callers. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for silence unknown callers. Now, calls from unknown numbers will ring like normal. Next, in settings again, tap on the focus option you see there and check for active focus such as do not disturb mode or sleep, and then go ahead and turn it off. Further, in settings again, tap on apps again and then tap on phone and then tap on blocked contacts and go ahead and remove any numbers you want to receive calls from. Now, see if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on about and check for carrier update or settings and contact your carrier or check their app for settings that block the calls. Also, if airplane mode is enabled, then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for airplane mode in settings and see if that helps. If not, then you can also try to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart often resolves call routing issues. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix allow all calls on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.